you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 AM and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
Hey guys, it's your girl Rose Juicy today, and today we're gonna do a fall everyday look because I literally just saw pumpkin spice latte, and literally when that's out, that means fall is here. Technically, it's supposed to be coming soon, but everything wants to be coming out early. So why not we do this video? And it's also in a collab with one of my friends, Melissa from the UK. So once you finish watching this video, you gotta go to her channel and watch her fall everyday look. So let's just get this started. It's gonna be simple because I'm not gonna do that crazy look that I always used to do for fall. Yeah, so let me stop rambling and let's get on with the video. So all we're gonna do is start with our primer, which is the coconut primer, the one that I always freaking love. We're just gonna, you know, soothe her around her skin. Yes, we haven't done her eyebrows because we're not doing that exaggerated eyebrows with pomade. We're probably just gonna do all natural and just enhance it a little bit. But this is what we're gonna do. And we're gonna use our NARS. Well, first, let me do the eyeshadows because I like to do the eyeshadows first and then do my foundation because it's a little bit faster that way and I won't be messy. So we're gonna use two palettes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, literally the Soft Climb, and I was not gonna use another palette because I wanted to, that like palette screams fall. I'm gonna use the Heat palette, Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna mix it a little bit with Wallen and burnt orange and orange soda to get this eye color. Ooh. Yeah, I want to get this eye color right here. And I'm probably going to do a little bit of brown. And I'm using my R35 brush. Just putting it all over the eyes. Because then I'm going to grab another brush, a smaller brush, and like clean up the edges a little bit. I already did have eyeshadow primer, so you know, you need to have eyeshadow primer. And I'm just gonna do that. I probably am gonna do brownish color, which is probably Rustica right in the middle of the eyelids. I'll think about it once I come back. So I am going to grab my flat brush and I'm gonna go in the Urban Decay piece, and I'm also gonna go in with Rustica because I love this one. Is it Rustica or Rustic? I don't know. And I'm just gonna pat it right in the middle of the lids, just like that, slowly. And then I'm gonna go back with my Morphe R35 brush, and with any residue, if you want, you can go back any residue that the brush has, and then blend it in together with the middle. I really like this look for like orange brown colors for like literally fall is my thing. Also with red colors, but red I'm mostly associated with Christmas. But this right here, I love this colors. This palette is just amazing to me. So we're gonna use our NARS foundation and we're just gonna dab it. It probably is a little bit lighter than my skin tone because yeah, I've been tanner. I'm a little bit more tanner right now. And you already know the routine, how to do this. Just dab. See, I'm a little bit more tanner. But no worries, we got bronzer. So for bronzer, we're literally going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette with my R2 brush and we're just gonna bronze up a little bit of our face. Ooh, I always forget like how much I love this freaking palette. And let's do right here our zombie look. I don't know why it's coming out a little bit darker, huh? Let me grab this fresh brush and let me powder it better. I think I have the other bronzer on there, but always my forehead is a little bit more like intense. So what I like to do is literally grab the beauty blender and just dab on top to make it a little bit more seamless. Don't know why is it coming out this color, but ooh, it's not coming out this color here. Ooh. Look at this color. Have on to use the shit, man. She is the shit. And what I like to do is here, like dab it, like a mini contour, and then with my fingers, I'll literally like blend it on the sides too. But what I do also is on my nose and under here, give that, you know, flush look. Or it's starting to get better. So we're gonna go back to the soft palette and we're gonna grab the same brush and take these three colors, the orange, the brownish color, and just under the lid, I will literally do this and then attached it to the top, blended, and literally amazing. Now for the inner corners, I was gonna do something like a bright shiny color, but I don't believe like it should be that bright color. I'll probably like put rose pink in the inner corner, just because it's a pretty color and I want to use it. So then we're gonna grab my Laura Mercier in Discrescent. I haven't used this in a while, with my E61 highlighter brush, and we're just gonna go a little bit. This is like a champagne sheer color. I forgot how like cute this color is. Like, look, it's not that, you know, intense, but it also gives like that pinkish vibe, which will it will literally match with the inner corners and a little bit on the nose and right here and the cupid's bow. Oh, and then I'll go back a little bit. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, I like this. So we're gonna grab our gloss and our MAC. I think this one is Burnt Spice, and this is like my go-to one, literally my go-to one, and I don't do no technique. I just literally, I don't do the YouTube technique, so I do whatever I please. And then I'll just fix it with my mirror, but I would go with the lip gloss. I'm in love with this one. It still smells like candy to me, just like candy. Yes, girl. Yes. And then I'll grab my rose water. It'll be like a little spray, and I'm gonna let it dry so I can pour my mascara, and I'll be right back with the last and final results. Well, yeah guys, this is the final look, and if you like the look, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe in the description below, and don't forget to hit and subscribe to Melissa's profile. It'll be right down there, or you can hit the little face right over here wherever I put it, and don't forget to comment that you came from my channel. So you know, we cool like that. I'm really weird and awkward. But yeah, I see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Go to my Instagram, my Twitter, my Tumblr, and I see you guys next time. Before, you need to hit that notification button to know when I post videos, how I post videos, wherever I post videos. You will be notified to do it. Okay? Bye guys.